Assalamu alaikum guys, I'm back. Today we will learn lesson 5. Let's learn English together.
Lesson number 5. What's this? What's that? Goodbye, what's that?
It's a panda.
That's goodbye. That's a panda.
What's that?
This is a tiger.
You're right. This is a tiger.
And that's a tiger too, bye?
No, it isn't. It's a zebra.
Oh, I see. This isn't a tiger. It's a zebra.
What's that?
That's a monkey.
Is that a zebra too?
No, it isn't.
Is that a tiger then?
No, it isn't.
Then what's this?
It's an elephant.
What's this? What's this?
It's a panda. It's a panda. What's this? What's this?
It's a tiger. It's a tiger.
What's this? What's this?
It's a monkey. It's a monkey. What's this? What's this?
It's a zebra. It's a zebra. What's this? What's this?
It's an elephant. It's an elephant.
Tiger, panda, monkey, zebra, elephant.
Allah Hafiz.
Please like my video and subscribe my channel.